Hello everybody, it's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Alright, what we got here today is I'm gonna do a test. I got this big old gallon of non-toxic, safe, washable, no-run school glue. Alright, Elmer's glue, guys, Elmer's glue. It's been around for years, been useful for years. What I want to know is, can we use it to make a bowl? Let's find out. Alright guys, this is where you see me make my first mistakes. I put on a layer of sawdust and a layer of glue and then another layer of sawdust and another layer of glue, and I built it right up to the top there. And what I should have done is I should have put on a layer of sawdust and glue and let it dry, and then done another layer and so on until I got to the top like you're seeing me do now, and it would have turned out a lot better, I think. The bowl took forever to dry. It did. It just took forever. Like, it took like 2 months, and that was like after setting it out in the sun. I even baked it in the oven for a while to get it to dry because it just was not drying. And what happened is the outer layers of the wood glue dried and then sealed it so that the insides couldn't dry. It just took forever for this thing to dry. So if I were to do it again, I would have done it in layers and let it dry each layer. Alright, here it is. It's the sawdust bowl. Now, I made this with Elmer's glue and just sawdust. I wanted to see if I could do it. I tell you what, it's not feasible to do anyway. You can see it turns out pretty rough. And this is like 2 months. It's been about 2 months since I molded it, at least. We're going to try to turn it and see what happens. It may fly apart. It may blow up. I don't know, but it's a fun project. It's just fun, you know. Gotta do things that are just fun. All right, so let's see what happens, all right? This could be interesting. Looks better. For what it is. Yeah, I'm debating if I want to leave this recess on the back of it, or this tenon on the back of it, because it's off kilter. I could probably try to true it up a little bit and see what happens. Let's see. now. Yeah, it ripped right out. Check that out. So I guess that settles it. We're gonna, yeah, look. It didn't get enough glue in there, I don't think. We're gonna try to put a recess in it and still try to finish this, because I don't know. I waited too long not to, right? It's gonna be a small bowl, but we don't care about that. I just wanted to see if it could be done. And I'm seeing that it could probably be done. There we go. I'm not gonna put too much pressure on it because I'm scared to break it. All right, let's give her a spin, see what happens. All right, looks all right. Let's get that out of there. Yep. Went right through. Made a nice funnel. Alright, busted right through. It wasn't quite dry all the way in the center, I don't think. Yeah, let's see if we can get it cleaned up a little bit. Even though there's a hole in it, I bet you I can fix that. Let me clean it up as best as I can, and then we'll patch the bottom of it, because it's just sawdust and Elmer's glue. All right, let's check it out. Let's see what we can do. As you can see, I busted through the bottom. That's all right. We're going to sand this up a little bit. And I'll fix the bottom. That's fine. That's just sawdust and glue, guys. It's just sawdust and glue. I'm not even going to sand it, I don't think. I'm just going to leave it like it is. I'm going to fix the bottom and I'll bring you back. See where I popped through that? That recess was just a little deeper than I thought it was. And I blew through the bottom of it. And that's fine. Like I said, it's just sawdust. You ain't going to use this for nothing. You know, not to eat up or anything like that. I just wanted to see if it was feasible. And it seems to be feasible. What I'm going to do probably is I will put a piece of paper in here, glue it in, and then I'll fill the back of it with sawdust and glue and just build it up until I bottom out. And then there won't be no recess either. Okay, so I got to sand it up all right. And I can already see that there's going to be a couple little places that need to be fixed, like this, for instance. That would have to be fixed. I'm going to fill this all in. On the sides here, I kind of got some tear out, and I don't know if you can see it right there. You see where it went through. But yeah, it can be done. It can be done. It definitely can be done. Let me fix the holes in this and whatnot. I'll repack it, let it dry, and I'll bring it back. All right, there you go. You can see I fixed the bottom of it, and I just used sawdust and wood glue like the rest of the bowl. And I filled it right up to the top of the recess, so it's got a kind of a concave bottom to it, but not much of one. So it still sets flat on the countertop. I mean, I imagine you can throw your jewelry in it or change, put it on a nightstand somewhere maybe, and put your stuff in it. But, I mean, it wouldn't be feasible to eat out of it. It's wood glue and wood shavings. I mean, it would never hold liquid, I don't think. But it did turn out hard. It did turn out in container. You could put stuff in it. So, can you make a bowl out of wood glue, Elmer's wood glue and sawdust? Yes, you can. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter. I'm out.